What's up, guys? So we're on a little mission here. I'm on a stalking mission. And I got a bad back. So I went past an address earlier. I didn't get it on camera because my camera's been playing up all day. And I went past an address. I saw a radiator on a driveway, and next to it was a stack of copper pipe. You know, household copper piping. So I knocked on the door and eventually someone answered, but it must have been the builder's labourer or something. But he said he didn't know what was happening with it. He didn't own the house, he was just working there. So there's no one else there. I'm hoping they still live there and they were just out to work or something. So I'm going to go back and knock on the door again and see what the crack is. If it's still there, I don't know. It looked to me like it was being left out, but I wasn't just going to take it. But I went home, I had some dinner, and I've just been doing some painting. And I bent down to put the roller in the tray, and flipping my back's gone. So I don't know what that's going to be like tomorrow. So might do this, do a bit of scooting around, and then just call it a night and see what happens tomorrow. I'll let you know. I'll let you know if we get the goods. Pretty sure I found it, but it looked to me like it was on a plumber's driveway and there was some dude in a van. Don't know, it looks a bit sketch. What about that VW van there? What a score. You're not going to believe what I just got. Oh, it's just what I need. Just what I need with a bad back. It's worth the pain. That wood. Oh. Oh, what a result. What a result. Can't believe that worked out. Persistence pays off. So I saw that earlier in the daytime. The builder said he didn't know. I left thinking it was getting dark. Chances of anyone else seeing it was slim. I sort of profiled the property and the owners. I profiled the scrap correctly, and yeah, that is a win-win-win. What we got here? Nothing. Skip that though. Oh, what a score. Oh, flipping back hurts. But it was worth the pain. It was worth the pain. I'm gonna have another little scoot round before I go home. Another half hour or so. And get out of here, because I'm knackered. And I'm in agony, and I just want to rest and die for the night. Just gonna have a good look down this little area. This is a an area I used to frequent on my bike. Remember when I used to ride my bicycle? Remember those days? Back in the day? Man, that feels like a long time ago. It was months ago. But what the hell is that? Oh, some dude with his dog. I didn't even know what that was then. I can't remember how to get in there though. I'm sure it's this way. I didn't have to go this way on the bike. I can just go wherever I want. And I've gone down the wrong bloody road, haven't I? Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bend me over in a cornfield so I can gather your shekels. Join me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, MySpace, and any other social platform that you can think of. I'm on it. Feel free to PayPal me, send me money. I'll suck your cock if I have to, for $1. Please email me at I'll take it in the A for a few bucks at gmail.com. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Like I said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Oh, before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you, thank you. And check me out on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and whatever else you can think of. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'm sorry that my content is rubbish, but that's what it's about. It's about rubbish. And from now on, no more Vandal vlogs. That's it. No more. I'm done. Done with this stuff. Can't do it anymore. Damn it. Thought it would have been something cool. Smell. Get out here. Oh, Siggy in a little walk around. Hey, little pretty cat. Someone's been stripping cord again. Oh, what? Take some books and DVDs. Back this way. It's metal enough. Check that. First don't kick. Let's do the first. Oh. So. Go for it. like these. It's a cool little walk around. It's not worth the walk back, but you know, Mother Nature and all that, cool of the wild. Clean the streets up one street at a time, you know. All that good stuff. It's gonna be a nightmare, isn't it? Cords as a go. That in my van. The monitors are still here. It's kind of crazy. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, la 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 la. I have to sing it or it's going to cost me £1 million. There's a donkey. I'm going to regret picking that up. I can already feed it. But I'm going to take it because it looks interesting. Not where that belongs, so I'll take it out. Fake metal, I'm not seeing it again. Once was the agreement. Well, that's it for this one, guys. No more Vandal vlogs, I'm done. It's over. I'm not dealing with this anymore. I've got stuff to do. I ain't got time to make videos. I haven't got time to make videos. I'm a scrapper. I have no right being on YouTube, acting a fool and singing. Especially the bad singing. So I apologise. But you don't have to listen anymore. Because I'm done. It's over. Vandal Vlogs is finished. Take care, everyone. I wish you all the best. I really do. Don't worry about me. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Oh look, it's one of them flatbed vans. Sweet. I want to get one of them. Do 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 do.